please respond to 40292 Jamestown Road. It's a Wingham Golf and Curling Club for fire alarm zone 8 fire panel called in by the alarm company. Wingham Fire, please respond. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond at the request of Georgian Bay Fire and Security to 40292 Jamestown Road, just off of London Road in Clyde. It's for the Wingham Golf and Curling Club. It's a fire alarm zone 8 from the fire panel. Wingham Fire, please respond. Time now 17:48:21.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead.
Car 2 acknowledges page for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station will be responding shortly.
Roger, Car 2 acknowledging page. Wingham to respond shortly. The alarm company made reference to concession 4 of a Wingate by turn. He also had Jamestown. I'm assuming that's the right location?
Yeah, roger that. Golf course on Jamestown Road.
Roger that, thanks. I'll mark you acknowledged at 17:49:12. Fire dispatch, Car 2 call for an update.
Go ahead, dispatch this Car 2.
Roger, I can put this out on the page if you want. It's just an update. They spoke to somebody on site, not sure what set the alarm off. No fire smoke. They know that you're still responding. It's just an update.
Yeah, roger that. I've actually been on the phone with the property owners, and they have confirmed that, but we will respond just to check it out to confirm.
Roger that. Still responding 17:52:13.
Blyth Station, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3 is Blyth Station.
Blyth Station, just stand down and hold. RP Blyth Station, just stand down and hold for a moment. They'll be on scene shortly. This is just, we've had a repeat issue with this one.
Roger that, Blyth Station standing down.
Fire dispatch, Car 4.
Go ahead, Car 4.
Car 4 has been in contact with Car 2. He has got a phone call from the golf course regarding the false alarm. Car 4 and Delta Captain will respond just to make sure.
Roger, Car 4 made contact with Car 2. Car 4 and Delta Captain are responding. It is 17:53:48. Fire dispatch to North Huron command call.
Go ahead, dispatch, North Huron Command.
It's your pager test night. Do you want them now, or was the tone out for the golf course good enough?
That tone out works for me. If you could also do just a test page on the backup system for me, please.
Roger that. Doing that now. Fire dispatch, Wingham command call.
Go ahead, dispatch, North Huron Command.
I tried a couple times. The Wingham backup just rings busy.
Copy that, dispatch. We'll look into it once we get back to the station.
Roger, I'll give it a few minutes and try it again, but I'll leave that with you.
Copy that. I'll radio you when we have a solution.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go Go ahead, command.
You show the golf course alarm is a technical issue. They will be taking the alarm offline for the night. Property turned back over to the property managers. Command terminated. Command units returning to Wingham Station.
Roger that. Technical issue. Alarm to be taken off for the night. Command terminated. You're clear. I'm returning. 1836. Is there a North Huron unit calling?
Fire dispatch, North Huron Delta.
Go ahead, Delta.
Get to all units back in hall, back in service. If you clear off that last call for me, please.
Roger, Delta, Wingham Hall back in service. I have tried the backup again with negative results, and I've put a ticket into our IT as well.
Copy that. Thanks, dispatch.
You're welcome. Have a great night. 182745.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Fire unit calling. Go ahead.
Dispatch, can I get one test page, please?
Roger that. Attention, North Huron, Wingham Fire. This is a single pager test. A pager test only. Do not respond. Time now, 19:40:25.
Dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead, one.
Dispatch, we had some radio work done last week, so we're just having some issues. Our Z-Tron is currently offline and will be repaired later this week.
Roger that, Car 1. I did try the backup earlier tonight and it didn't work at that time. That one was over the radio.
Yeah, Roger, sorry, that's what the Z-Tron is. That's our backup system. So that'll be repaired, hopefully by Friday. We should have no other issues, just stay tuned.
Roger that, Car 1. Have a great night.